In this video, I will show you how to present with frames in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Once you're in your main dashboard, you will see your menu list on the left side of your screen where all your tools and options are located. Now, to start presenting, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Present button. This will immediately switch you to presenter mode where you can view and navigate your frames like slides in a presentation. On the left side of your screen, you will notice a small menu that contains helpful tools and settings for your presentation. If you want to write or highlight something during your presentation, click the pen icon on the left side. A small pop-up will appear, then click the pen again to activate it. You will see your cursor change, allowing you to draw or write freely on your board to emphasize different points. Once you're done presenting, just click the stop button at the bottom to exit presenter mode and return to your board view. And that's how to present with frames in Miro.